Hey, I'm Kef Ray, and this is Back to the Basic Q&A with myself. Stay tuned.
Welcome to Back to the Basics, where you learn facts, hope you embrace it. Watch, like, share, bring in awareness. Watch, like, share, bring in awareness. I'm fearless. Welcome to Back to the Basics, where you learn facts, hope you embrace it. Watch, like, share, bring in awareness. Watch, like, share, bring in awareness. I'm fearless.
What is the Big Bang Theory?
According to scientists of this day and time, they have what is called the Big Bang Theory, which took place 13.8 million of years ago, according to them, and they attribute this time as the age of the universe. Let's first make note that the scientific community refers to the Big Bang as a theory, when in fact the word theory comes from the Greek word theoris, which means spectator. Now, a spectator is one who observes, and since scientists were never there in the beginning to observe the birth of the universe, they really don't know. However, this reality does not stop them from giving their best ideas to justify that of which they did not see. You know, there's a saying that goes, seeing is believing, when in reality, hearing and reading is believing. For seeing is actually knowing. Now, the word theory, as the Greeks say, theoris, became theos for God, which was taken from Tauret, the ancient Egyptian goddess of women and childbirth. And this birth is the birth of the sun, S-U-N, which implies that the Big Bang has a source of its occurrence.
So, you're saying that the Big Bang is not a theory?
That is exactly what I'm saying. We know this because contact is reality. For example, as the sperm hits the ovum, though the human ear cannot perceive it, it is a Big Bang to microscopic existing entities. And likewise, when positive and negative charges clash into one another, though you cannot hear it, it too is a Big Bang to minute energy. So in actuality, the Big Bang is a reality. Now let me expound on something that you never knew nor considered, but you will hear it for the very first time here on Back to the Basic. This Big Bang that modern scientists talk about is just another occurrence, another incident that occurs and reoccurs. So in reality, there were more than one Big Bang.
What do you mean by more than one Big Bang?
First, you must understand that there is such thing as a created state of nothingness, which is in fact something that does not add up to a thing. Therefore, it is existence without a mathematical equivalence for something. For example, light exists as photon, which has no mass, therefore it has no weight. Thus, it has no sum, yet we all are familiar with its existence. So you see, as things in the state of nothingness, like light comes into comprehensible existence to be weighed up to a sum, it then becomes something, S-U-M-T-H-I-N-G. Now, the process by which this occurs is called Big Bangs, but it would need another thing to bang into to have a Big Bang. In other words, matter and antimatter are the things that clash to bring about alternate things, and this reality is what scientists fail to comprehend. So every time something comes into comprehensible existence from the state of nothingness, there was a Big Bang that presupposed it.
Did the Big Bang occur spontaneously?
No, Big Bangs did not occur spontaneously. Big Bangs are not without reason or cause. They are under control, direction, and command. One of the many Big Bangs that has affected us here on planet Earth occurred 24 billion years ago, when Planet X, also called Nibiru, a planet-sized craft under the control of the Anunnakis, collided into this planet now called Earth and caused the Big Bang. The records of this event can be found in the Sumerian cuneiform tablets, which predates modern scientists' conception of the universe. And you don't have to believe me, you can just, go check it out.
Was this Big Bang at the very beginning?
This particular Big Bang incident was not at the very beginning of all things, but in the beginning of an ongoing event, for this planet is just one of many in the solar system and even less important in the entire universe. So of the many incidents called Big Bangs, they created a vibration, a friction that resulted in sound, and each additional bang had a different time and distance and magnitude that created a harmony of music heard by those who can perceive sound beyond human normal audible ranges.
When did the original Big Bang occur?
The original Big Bang occurred 76 trillion years ago. The point of singularity, or a small dot, or nukta as we refer to it, exploded, and this was called the Big Bang, which was a result of the expanding then collapsing of the universe. In our case, this universe, which caused the explosion of positive and negative forces, causing the negative and positive force to clash into each other, matter and antimatter. In this event, hydrogen 1 became helium 2 from its antimatter counterpart, or its opposite, called ether 1 to ether 2, onto oxygen 8 and ether 8, which is liquid gas. And yes, the ethers are real, because some would have you think that ether is an outdated science, and I can show you that they're wrong.
You stated that the Big Bangs were under control. Can you expound?
Yes, I did say that. You see, modern scientists like to think they are the source of all universal knowledge, when in fact universal knowledge predates what is being called science today. In other words, 100 years from now, there will be a new and upcoming generation of scientists, and because of previous records and data archived by their predecessors, they would benefit in knowing things 100 years in the past while in their present. That is the reason for keeping records, so that the future can know what took place then. Likewise, the ancient Egyptians did the same for their children, and as a descendant of the original Egyptians, we have these records. So to answer your question, the Big Bang did not occur by chance, for nothing happens by chance. Chance is merely a word for occurrences not perceived. The ancient ones did not play dice. It was a master plan with countless experiments conducted by one such being, referred to as who? The creative force of will, who dwell outside of your time zone and comprehension at this time, just as dark matter is beyond your comprehension at this day and time.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Bye! If you have any topics that you would like us to cover, post it in the comments.
You embrace it. Watch, like, share, bring in awareness. Watch, like, share, bring in awareness.